Hello again, car wash enthusiasts. Today we're taking a look at cleaning and maintaining your rotating nozzles on the top wand of your IQ. First off, it's important to know the correct type of nozzle that goes with your machine, as we've been noticing some cases in which the wrong nozzle will be purchased for a specific machine. Here on the screen you can see a graphic designating the correct type of nozzles that go with the correct machine. You can pause the video now to take a look at these, or you can keep going for the continuation of this video. Now that you have the correct idea as to which nozzle you will need, let's start at the beginning. The first thing that you'll need to do is clean out your top wand during startup. To do this, you'll need to look for the plug at the end of the wand. It'll look just like the plug shown here. Ensure that the nozzle on your wand is pointing down, remove your tips, pull out the plug, and then run the pumps to clean them out before installing your rotating nozzles. Once this process is finished, go ahead and reattach the plug and your tips. This process is done to ensure your machine doesn't have any contaminants in it. But that's not all. Once you've installed your rotating nozzles, you'll want to keep an eye on their performance. If a nozzle gets clogged, you'll want to repeat the process you just performed in addition to another process that I'll show you here. The tools that you'll need for this job include adjustable wrenches that fit the nozzle, torch tip cleaner, an air nozzle, a flashlight, some lubricant, and finally some Scotch-Brite. Now first what you'll want to do is you'll want to blow out the contaminants from the screen and the hole down here using your air nozzle. Once you've done that, you've done most of the work, but let's go ahead and continue disassembling this thing while we have it here. Next you'll want to unscrew the base of the nozzle with your wrench and slide your tip cleaner through the 3 holes that reside within the part. Once you've scraped those holes out, give them each a good blast from your air nozzle, and once you've done that, go ahead and shine your flashlight into the bottom like so, which will let you see your handiwork. If you're satisfied with the cleanliness of this part, we can move on. You'll need to repeat this process with the actual nozzle part itself, and after you've cleaned and blasted the part, you'll want to buff it out with your Scotch-Brite. Don't put your Scotch-Brite away just yet though, because you'll need it to buff out the inside of this funnel part as well. Once you're done buffing, you can blow everything off and put everything back together again like so. Be sure to lubricate the base of the nozzle when you return it, as well as the O-ring and the threads before you put these parts back together. This is done to prevent galling of these metals. And that is how you can successfully clean out and maintain your rotating nozzles on your top wand. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions, be sure to call the DNS Tech line at 800-844-3442, and we'd be more than happy to help. If you liked what you saw here, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and hit the notification bell below the video to stay updated with all future DNS content. Bye for now.